Hello everyone, my name is William and welcome back to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Today is the 2nd of March 2018. So today's video is going to be another technical analysis on Bitcoin. So let's get into the chart. So as you can see here, currently we're trading around $11,000, and when I was making this video yesterday around the same time, we were trading around $10,300, okay? And I mentioned in my video that we'll probably looking to around buying lettering start from 10,200, and I think on Binance we dropped to around 10,240, and then things started to pick up, okay? So if you look at the daily chart here, we actually closed our daily candlestick just around 16 minutes ago, and we actually closed above the long-term downtrend line that I was talking about, that was formed in December, okay, mid-December. So this is actually the first time in months that we're able to achieve this. So the daily candle, we closed above this long-term downtrend line, and now the current daily candle, we're trading above it, okay? So it's really good sign for Bitcoin. So what this means is, let's just have a look at the hourly chart because it's easier to read. If you watch my previous videos, you could see that I drew this huge inverse head and shoulder formation, I think 3 days ago, and of course we have a 1 2 3 4 5 impulse wave up and a WXY correction to the lowest point of around 9,200. So, and then we had got another 1 2 3 4 5 impulse, and yesterday signals the corrections finished for our 1 2 3 4 5 there, and that will be an ABC correction. And now we're having our new second impulse wave, okay? So what we can see is as long as we start trading, the peak of wave 5, previous wave 5 was around pretty much 11,100, right? If we start closing, I'll say hourly candlesticks above 11,100, and then we are in a very bullish mode to break 11,800, which is our neckline resistance. Why do I say that? Is because then we'll be confirming this will be the second impulse wave going up. So that means this is going to be another big 1 2 3 4 5, okay? So it's going to be 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5. So now let's take a look at the big picture and have a look at where wave 3 is probably going to end up at, okay? I had this target here, 17,640, set it up when I was drawing the inverse head and shoulder formation a few videos ago, okay? So that's still, in my opinion, is going to be where wave 5 going to end up being. And let's look at wave 3, okay? What we know is that according to the basic Elliott wave theory, okay, wave 3 should not be the shortest impulse wave, okay? So if we look at wave 1 here, if this is our wave 1, then we have a top of around, say, 11,200, okay? Then we minus, that's around 9,360, which gives us 1,840, and then we look at the bottom of our wave 3, okay, which is around this candles here, this one, 10,260. 10,260. That gives us 12,100. Okay, so if we hit 12,100, that means our wave 3 is equal length to wave 1. So with 12,100, so it's going to be around here, right above our inverse head and shoulder, okay? But I want to be more bullish than that, okay? I would put my wave 3 around this resistance of 13,000 here, which is our previous high around this level, and it's also being acting as support around here, 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 and here, okay? So and then we're probably going to see a retracement back to around our neckline support, and our wave 5 will be targeting 17,640. And if you haven't watched my previous video, why do I put a target here? Because with inverse head and shoulder formation, the bottom of the head to the neckline support is where I get my number here. So I just basically add up this distance here and flip it upwards, okay? So basically, as you can see, we're trading almost about 11,100 now. So what we want to see is we want to see our candlesticks, at least hourly, okay, to start trading above 11,200 level, okay? And that would be a very bullish sign to confirm our second impulse wave up, okay? So that will be confirming our third wave out of the five early waves. And for the next day also, again, it will be super bullish if we start seeing daily candlestick closing not only above this long-term downtrend line, but closing above the previous daily candlestick, okay? So next day is going to, the current day is going to be key again, okay? So once we get a confirmation, right, I think we'll be looking at least 12,100 or 12,200 to 13,000 for our wave 3. Okay, so that's basically the end of today's video. Hope you guys learned something from the video. Again, please give me a like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter for daily crypto updates, and I will see you guys in the next video.